If you're looking to create an AI drama with multiple episodes and a continuous storyline, this tool is for you. With PlotParty, you can go from a single prompt into a longer form AI video with consistent characters, environments, and objects. You can also edit the characters specifically in a large canvas which works in conjunction with an agent. Once you create your first story or video, it doesn't just stop there. With PlotParty, there's an element called a series. When you create a new series, you're able to select different characters and environments from previous stories that you've told. This is fantastic if you want to create the next episode or next chapter, or to see where a storyline continues whilst retaining the same character that you have created from previous episodes. This gives you the power to not just stop at the end of one kind of story that you've told, but keep the character going and see where the story goes to develop it over and over and over again. PlotParty is really good at keeping the consistency of how the character looks, who the character is and what they do, and how they interact with the scene. And of course, as the character grows through a story, you can also edit this as well in the large canvas by editing a specific character. This is where it can get quite advanced, and you can go from just creating a story from a prompt to actively editing different elements of a character or environment. And of course, PlotParty has access to a bunch of third-party tools such as Google Banana Pro and video tools such as Sora and Veo as well, so you can get that specific look that you're looking for using your favorite tools, and you can select this manually every single time. Another cool element with PlotParty, which I think is really unique, is this element called Worlds. Worlds is all about collaboration and interacting with fans and viewers of your content. When you create a world, you give the power of your IP to your audience, where they're able to use your character and the environments to create their own specific stories based on that IP as well. We're entering a phase now when it comes to AI creativity where people are writing and recreating different endings of stories or different chapters and different elements of where characters go. And this is a really cool way, if you have a fantastic character, to put it in the hands of others to use them in a way creatively to tell different stories based off what you have created. PlotParty for me is very exciting because it's good to see an AI creativity tool take on something a bit different when it comes to the AI art and visual space, focused on consistency, building actual characters, building actual storyboards, and actually working with an agent to tell those stories in a way with all those different tools out there. I really recommend going and giving PlotParty a try.